In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion. Setting up a project management system in Notion can seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right guidance, we'll have you navigating like a pro in no time. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. At the top right corner, you should see your profile icon. It's usually located alongside other navigation options. Give it a click. Now, we know that Notion is incredibly flexible, offering a variety of options for customization, and that's why our next step is crucial. Once you're in your profile, look for the Templates section. This is where Notion really shines, providing a wide array of pre-designed setups to get you started quickly. Click on Templates to see what's available. After clicking on Templates, you'll see a search bar at the top. We want to streamline our project management process, so let's use this search function to find exactly what we need. Go ahead and type Project Management into the search bar. This will filter out all other options and bring up project management-specific templates, making your selection much clearer and straightforward. Now that you've got a refined list of templates, the next step is to zero in on one that's designed specifically for project management. Scroll through your options and locate the template simply titled Project Management. The great thing about Notion is that it provides robust templates that can be adapted to suit your unique projects, so you'll have a great foundation to start with. Once you've found the project management template, it's time to make it your own. You'll notice an Add button, usually positioned neatly on the screen. Click on this button to add the template to your workspace. Remember, this template is fully customizable, allowing you to tweak it to fit the specific needs and nuances of your projects. You can add tasks, deadlines, team members, and resources as you see fit. This process we've just completed will set up a strong foundational platform within Notion for managing all your projects in an organized and efficient manner. The power of Notion is its flexibility and customization, so feel free to explore additional features later on, adding layers to your project management system as you go. Experiment with different layouts, incorporate timelines or task dependencies, and you'll find that your working process becomes not only more organized, but also more productive. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step method to establish your project management system using Notion's templates. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now, it's time to start organizing your projects efficiently. Happy project managing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.